Hey everyone, in this video we will see how we can create Google OAuth login integration in our React app. So let's begin it by creating a fresh project, and for that we will use create React app module for creating our project. So we will have to type create hyphen react hyphen app space app name and then dot, then hit enter. After that wait for few minutes and then type cd space google hyphen login. After that type npm install react hyphen google hyphen login and hit enter. Wait for few minutes. Now the package has been installed. We will start the npm server by typing npm space start. It will open a new Google Chrome tab. Now open the Google login project, go to source, go to app.js file and remove all of the content inside the class name app. Select all and then delete that. Now, now write import space Google login inside the curly braces and import it from react hyphen Google hyphen login. Now start with angular bracket and type Google login. Close this tag and then pass the props as client ID. Leave this field as blank for right now. And the next prop will be our on success function, which where we will pass a function in the on success props and the same will goes with the on failure. So we will pass a function named as response Google and we will pass the same function inside the on failure prop. So let's type uh, so let's create a function response Google. It will be our error function. Type console.log. It will take a argument as response and which we will print on the console.log. Now go to Google Cloud Console, click on the first link. It will redirect you to the Google Cloud project. And after that, select the project that you want to use. Otherwise, you can create a new project from the top corner button. We already have two projects set up, so the we will use these project. Click on the hamburger menu, go to API and services, and then go to OAuth consent screen. Select the app that you want to use. In our case, we will use the existing React-login app. And then after that, go to credentials and go to create credential. Click on that. Click on OAuth client ID. Select the project as web application. Select the app name or web app name. and then type http colon backslash double localhost colon 300 and type the same in the authorized redirect URIs. Hit save. It will create a new project for you. Copy the client ID. Hit click OK. Paste the client ID on the Google login param. Now refresh the page. Click on the button. See, a pop-up has been opened now. This is the Google Oauth screen. Click on the account that you want to use for login. See, it has successfully logged in and showed you all the details of that respective account. For more videos like this, please hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.